Welcome to Mind Bloom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Losing fat is one of the most common fitness goals, but here's the truth. Endless hours of cardio aren't the best way to do it. The real game changer is strength training. In this video, we'll go step by step through how beginners can use strength training not just to build muscle, but also to burn fat effectively and sustainably. First, let's clear a misconception. Many people think lifting weights will make them bulky. That's not true. Strength training actually helps you burn more calories even while resting, because muscle tissue is metabolically active, it burns energy all day long. The more lean muscle you build, the faster your metabolism runs, which means fat loss becomes much easier. Step 1. Start simple. If you're new to strength training, you don't need complicated machines or heavy weights. Bodyweight movements like squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks are a perfect foundation. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups, which makes them great for burning calories and building strength at the same time. Step 2. Focus on compound exercises. Movements like deadlifts, bench presses, rows, and overhead presses should form the core of your routine. These big, multi-joint exercises work several muscles at once, giving you maximum fat-burning impact. Instead of spending hours on isolated exercises, stick with the moves that give you the most return. Step 3. Structure your workouts. For fat loss, aim for 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week. Each session should last 45 to 60 minutes and combine lower and upper body movements. A good example is doing squats, push-ups, and rows in a circuit, resting for short periods to keep your heart rate up. This way, you are getting the fat-burning effect of cardio while still building strength. Step 4. Progressive overload. This simply means challenging your muscles a little more over time. You can do this by adding weight, increasing reps, or slowing down the movement for better control. Consistently pushing your body a little further is what drives both muscle growth and fat loss. But here's the catch: training is only half the equation. Nutrition plays an equally important role. You can't out-train a bad diet. To lose fat, you need to be in a slight calorie deficit, meaning you're consuming fewer calories than you burn. Pair your strength workouts with a high-protein diet. Protein not only supports muscle repair but also keeps you fuller for longer, reducing cravings. Lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and protein shakes are all excellent options. Hydration and sleep also matter. Drinking enough water keeps your body functioning optimally and prevents unnecessary snacking, while 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep helps your body recover and keeps hunger hormones in check. A tired body craves junk food. Rest is your secret fat loss weapon. Another key point is patience. Many beginners expect results overnight. Real fat loss and muscle building take time. Celebrate small wins, lifting heavier, feeling more energetic, or noticing your clothes fit differently. The scale isn't the only measure of progress. Finally, don't forget consistency. A perfect workout once in a while won't change your body. But showing up 3 to 4 times a week, eating clean most of the time, and steadily improving, that's what transforms your physique. Strength training isn't just about looking leaner, it's about becoming stronger, more confident, and healthier. So, if you're serious about losing fat in 2025, stop relying only on cardio. Pick up those weights, follow this beginner's guide, and watch how strength training reshapes your body and your life. Remember, start simple, focus on compound moves, eat right, and stay consistent. The results will speak for themselves.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.